Remove the old battery sealant first. Tear off the insulation tape again. Cut the protective plate with ceramic scissors. Break the nickel sheet back and forth repeatedly. If you use scissors, you need to smooth out the burrs. Avoid sharp incision puncture battery caused by bulging and so on. Removing the nickel sheet can reduce the thickness of the protective plate for better mounting. First, fold the battery protection board all flat. Fasten the battery seat. The wire bending protection plate is attached to the side of the battery core. Attach double-sided glue after confirming the installation position. Attach fixed stickers to the seat line. The protective board is pasted with Balto glue. This completes the installation of the protection plate.